All right, so we're starting off with our pre-made brownie mix. I just used dark chocolate fudge from Duncan Hines, and oh my gosh, you guys, these brownies are going to be super fun, super nostalgic. I can't wait to show you what we're gonna do with these, because it's not just gonna be plain old brownies. They're gonna be so beautiful by the time we're done with them. Everybody will love these if you make them for them. They are going to want your recipe. They're going to be such a crowd pleaser. Kids love these, adults love these, everybody loves these. So scrape all of your brownie mix out. And now we're simply just going to spread our brownie mix all on the bottom of our pizza pan. And yes, we are using a pizza pan because that's just going to elevate this recipe even more. Okay, trust me on this. You're gonna wanna use a pizza pan. All right, this is as flat as it is gonna get, you guys. I think that looks pretty good. So we're just gonna pop this in the oven at 350 for about 20 minutes. Now we have some Ghirardelli semi-sweet chocolate chips. We need a cup of chocolate chips in here. Our brownies are currently cooling down. That is 1 cup of chocolate chips. All right, now we have some heavy whipping cream. And we need 3/4 a cup of heavy whipping cream. And now we're just going to combine the two. Oh, and this is gonna make a delicious chocolate ganache. Just give that a quick mix. Ooh, there's my clocks. You guys love my clocks. They're always going off, every time. And we are just going to pop this in the microwave and melt it in 30-second intervals, mixing in between. All right, guys, our brownie is all cooled down and our chocolate ganache is nice and ready. We're gonna pour this all over the top of our cooled brownie. Oh, this is such a perfect summer dessert, you guys. I'm telling you right now, you are gonna have to make this. It's gonna be so awesome. We are almost finished here. I can't wait to show you the last step. Okay, let's see if that's enough. We're just going to spread our chocolate ganache all over the top of our little brownie pizza here. How does that look, David?
Looks amazing.
Looks good?
Yep.
All right, now that you got that all covered up, rainbow sprinkles. This is what's gonna really throw it together, and you're gonna see what I'm doing here. So be careful because these are filled with chocolate. So I don't want to get any on the floor because I have doggies. And I don't want them eating these. So you're just going to cover every inch of your brownie pizza in these wonderful chocolate sprinkles. Oh, wow, look at that. I think that's perfect, huh? I think that looks really good.
I agree.
And now it's time to use our pizza cutter to cut into our brownie pizza. All right, so you can let this chill in the refrigerator if you want your ganache a little more firm, or it will just naturally harden while it sets and cools down. But we are just going to scoop this right out. Okay. Okay, that was pretty good, right? There we go. That was pretty good. Yeah, look at that. Wow. we're missing the tip, but you know, that happens sometimes with pizza, right? And we have, oh, that is so nice and soft. We have our cosmic brownie pizza.